Oh wow, a giant egg! I wonder what's inside. Let's find out by cracking it open. Wow, there were 6 small eggs inside the big egg. How about we use the eggs to make a birthday cake? Let's start with the first egg. It's the color pink. Let's crack it open. Wow, look at that. It's a cute chick inside. Maybe she'd like to go in our egg carton. We'll need to match her to the correct shape. This one is a triangle. Ah, there we go. There's a triangle. Look, now she's happy. And now we have 1 yolk to go in our cake. So I'll turn the dial to 1. And now for our next egg. How cute! This one is orange. Let's give it a crack to see what's inside. Ew, orange yolk. But look at that. There's a cute orange chick inside. Let's find the right shape for this one. It's a circle, so it should go here. Great job! Now we have a pink and orange yolk. Let's set the dial to 2. Look at our next egg. It's smiling. And it's my favorite color, blue. And this blue chick has the shape of a star. So let's find the star in our egg carton. Ah, there it is. Great job, guys. Now she's happy. And we have 3 yolks in our bowl. Let's turn the dial to 3. And our next egg is this screaming one. It's the color yellow. But the chick inside isn't screaming at all. She's happy because her shape is a square, and it goes right there. Square and there rhyme. Isn't that cool? Now we have 4 yolks in our bowl, so let's turn the dial to 4. We have 2 more eggs. This one here is the color purple. Let's open it by cracking it on the bowl. Ew, purple yolk! Let's find the shape of this chick. It's a cross, so it goes here. Now we have 5 wiggly yolks in our bowl, so let's turn the dial to 5. Alright, now for our last egg. This one's green. Let's crack it. And our final chick has the shape of a heart. Aww! Now they're all happy. And let's turn the dial up to 6. Now that we're done with the eggs, we can close up the box and put them away. Alright, now let's start mixing. Check it out, it's coming together nicely. There, that'll do it. Now it's time to add some yummy fruit. We just need a cutting board and a plastic knife. First up is an apple. We just need a little slice. There we go. Now we have a big slice and a little one. Let's add the little one to the bowl. Great job. Here we have some grapes. We just need half a bunch, so we'll cut it into 2 pieces. Perfect, there we go. Now let's put it in the bowl. Here's a delicious strawberry. Let's cut it into 2 equal pieces. We need 2 slices, so let's put them both in the bowl. Yummy, it's a pineapple. We need 1/3, so we need to cut it into 3 pieces. Oops, and add 1 to the bowl. What could this brown fruit be? I think it's a kiwi. It is. We need 1/2, so let's put 1 of the 2 slices in the bowl. And finally, our last fruit is this big, juicy watermelon. We need only 1/4, so let's cut it into 4 pieces and put 1 of those pieces in the bowl. Now we need some sugar to make the cake taste sweet. Sugar is really yummy, but you don't want to add too much. so we'll get 1 spoon. We need to be careful not to spill it. This should make it sweet enough. Now let's add 1 slice of butter. And finally, some magic pound cake mix. Yummy! Great, now it's time to mix. Here we go. Let's check it out. Whoa, cool! Look at that! Ew, it's wiggly and jiggly and so colorful. Let's add a rainbow of sprinkle coloring, starting with red. Great, now let's add orange. Whoa, this is starting to look really cool. Now for yellow. Here comes green. All right, now we need some blue. Next up is purple. And finally, pink. Great job, guys! Our cake mix looks awesome! Now let's put it in our oven and bake it into a cake. Let's be patient while it cooks. Alright, the cake is done. Let's check it out. Now to open it up. Whoa, look at that! Our 6 colorful eggs made 6 cake slices. Look at how fruity and delicious they look. Let's start putting them together. 1 slice, 2 slices, 3, 4, 5 slices, and now for our last slice, slice 6. Looking good. Now let's add some toppings like this frosting. Let's put 1 on each slice, like this. Alright, we did it! Now how about some cherries? Do you like cherries? We'll add 1, 2, 3, 4. And how about some oranges? We'll add 3. 1, 2, 3. Next up are some more strawberries. We'll add 1, 2. Do you know what these fruits are? They're kiwis. Let's add them to the cake. And finally, some yummy chocolate. Here's some chocolate bunnies. I'll put one here and here. And a chocolate sign that says, Happy Birthday, because this is a birthday cake. Now that we're done decorating our cake, let's add some yummy cookies. And even some cupcakes. Here's a yellow one with a cherry. And a blue one with a birthday candle. They look so delicious. Now we need something to drink. Let's get some ice from the freezer. Some for me. And some for you. Fruit punch. My favorite. Let me pour some for you. And some for me. No birthday cake is complete without a birthday candle, so how about we use this giant rainbow one? This next part is for adults only, because lighting a candle is dangerous. Let's sing the happy birthday song. Can you guys sing along with me? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, good job, guys. Alright, guys, let's remove the candle and try the cake. We'll need our plastic knife to cut a slice. Here we go. One more cut should be good. It looks so yummy. How about you give it a try? Wasn't that good? You guys did a great job helping us make the cake. See you next time. Bye!